Trumpet becomes the first bloodhound to win the Westminster Dog Show, which I don't know if you knew this was going on or not, but it's never been a bloodhound win it.
Oh, really?
Kirk's been watching this religiously.
This show has got to be one of the oldest things that's on TV. 146 years this contest has been going on. And they walk around, and you got the different dogs from the different classes, and then one wins the overall dog of dogs. The best. Well.
Sorry, I'm still on that.
And this is the one that won, and you're looking for the best example of the breed. It has to be these. They come, they check it out, they touch the ears, and
they measure everything.
But they also have the agility course, right?
But that's a separate
For separate breeds.
Okay.
separate, yeah.
Gotcha.
So hound, I'm assuming it's like smell tests and stuff like that, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, it has to be obedient to an extent, but it's more the physical.
Oh, just the physical looks.
For that portion.
Interesting.
The first couple days there were agility courses and races and things like that, but then in those they don't evaluate the look of the dog at all.
No, just its obedience, I assume.
But I guess one of these hounds never won before. And I guess this is the best example of this hound we've ever seen.
Yeah.
Very cute.
And so you can scroll through and figure out what you think of the best in show here.
Have you, this might be, have you guys seen the All Dogs breakdown on YouTube?
The which dog breakdown?
All Dogs breakdown. She it's this, she's a lady who hosts this event, and she broke down every dog that's allowed to enter.
Oh, okay. No, I haven't seen that.
And it's a two-parter. It's I highly recommend it.
So
It's
you're
just
into this as well?
Yeah. When I was deciding on what dog I wanted, write all breeds of dogs. All dog breeds or something like that. Yeah, that's the one.
So it was on Wired?
Yeah, on Wired.
Multiple parts.
Part 2. There's 2 parts.
Yeah.
And essentially, they tell you the dog breed and what they were bred to do and what attributes they look for. It's really cool. It's kind of like an insight.
Yeah. So anyway, look, there's your example. You can see the posture, the back, the tail. She holds the tail. And they compare it, I guess, and there's a little bit of open to interpretation. Like the different judges like different things. It's very hard how you come to this conclusion. People spend a lot of time and money on this endeavor, getting their dog over there.
Very calm, this one.
Calm hound. Yeah. I don't know if he knows he won, but...
I'm sure he knows something.
Way to go, Trumpet. Way to go, Trumpet. Way to go, Trumpet.
Yeah,
Congrats.
good job.